All right, here we go. Question number 16 in our 0314 homework number 3 in MyLab Math, and they want us to factor the trinomial. So first things first, I noticed that this trinomial means it's got 3 terms. It is in descending order, which is good, but I also noticed that the lead coefficient is 1, and that makes this a standard trinomial, which means that it's going to be super easy. So when the lead coefficient is 1, you can jump into the recipe for factoring trinomials. And the recipe has 3 ingredients. First ingredient, parentheses. Second ingredient, read the signs. And the third ingredient is fill in the blanks. All right, so that is the recipe for factoring standard trinomial. All right, so here we go. First ingredient, parentheses. I'm going to have 2 sets of parentheses. And then I need to read the signs. So the way that you read the signs is you look at the last sign first. If this is a plus, you have to look over here to see what they both are. Okay? So when this last sign is a plus, these signs are going to be the same. And they're both going to be whatever the first one is. Okay? So these signs are both going to be plus. And then for the last step, we need to fill in the blanks. So what does it take to make c squared? Well, it takes c times c. So c times c gives me a c squared. And then I need two numbers that multiply to make 14 that also add and make 9. Okay, so it's like a puzzle. I've got to find numbers that multiply to make 14 that also add and make 9. And so we're going to start looking, okay? I know that 1 times 14 is 14, but 14 plus 1 is not 9. So I'm going to keep looking. I know that 2 times 7 is 14. What is 7 plus 2? 9. Oh, and I found them. And so the numbers I need are 2 and 7. And now that is factored completely. And just as a bonus note here, if I'm not sure that this is factored correctly, I can do the FOIL method and see if I get this back. I'm not going to show that here, but that is something you can do, is you can FOIL your answer and you have to get the problem back. Otherwise, it's not factored correctly. All right, so here we go. Let's check. We've got c plus 2 and c plus 7 as our factors. Bam. Man, I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to put those in the comment section below, or you can text me. And thanks for watching.